dear students, welcome back to this video. In this video we are going to learn Kasha 2 part 2 Balune Keli football. It means beer played football. Okay, first I read and explain in English. You listen carefully. Okay, yes, see, this is part 2 Balune Keli football. Balu means beer. Keli means play. Football means football. Okay. Balu ne keli football. Beer played football. सर्दियों का मौसम था. सर्दियों का मौसम था. सुबह का वक्त. सुबह का वक्त. It means it was a winter season. It is a morning time. Okay. Shardiyon means winter. Mausam means season. Subah means morning time. Okay. सर्दियों का मौसम था. सुबह का वक्त. चारों ओर कोहरा ही कोहरा. कोहरा means fog. Okay. कोहरा means fog. It was totally covered with fog. It was totally covered with fog. एक शेर का बच्चा सिमटकर गोल मडोल बना. जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. से एक शेर का बच्चा सिमटकर गोल मडोल बना. जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे सोया हुआ था. It means a lion cub was sleeping under a plum tree. A lion cub was sleeping under a plum tree, all curled up like a ball, because it was so cold. It is a winter season, isn't it? So it was so cold. He was curled like a ball. Gol madol. Gol madol. It means round shape. Okay. Gol madol means round shape. Then simatkar means curl. Simatkar means curl. Jamun means jamun. It means plant. Plum tree. Okay. Jamun means plum tree. Okay. Then see the next paragraph. इधर बालू साहब शेर पर निकल तो आए थे लेकिन बचता रहे थे. इधर बालू साहब शेर पर निकल तो आए थे लेकिन बचता रहे थे. It means here came the bear sir for a walk. Balu means Balu sahab means bear sir. Okay. Here came the bear sir for a walk, but he was regretting it. But he was regretting it. Bachta rahe the. Bachta rahe the means regretting it. Okay. Then sher par. Sher means for a walk. Sher means for a walk. Then दबी उनकी नजर जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे बढ़ी. दबी उनकी नजर जामुन के पेड़ के नीचे बढ़ी. It means just then his eyes grabbed attention under the tree. His eyes grabbed attention under the tree. Okay, then see the next paragraph. आंखें फैलाई अकल दौड़ाई. आंखें फैलाई अकल दौड़ाई. आंखें means eyes. Okay. He violent his eyes. फैलाई means violent. He violent his eyes. अकल दौड़ाई. अकल दौड़ाई. He used his brain and said, what is this? He used his brain and said, what is he say? Aha, football. Aha, football. रोचा चलो इससे खेलकर कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए। चलो इसे केलकर कुछ गर्मी हासिल की जाए। He thought, rocha means rocha, it means thing. Okay, he thought, let's get some heat when we play with this ball. Let's get some heat playing it. Garmi means heat. Okay, garmi means heat. Hasil means get. Hasil means get, garmi means heat. When playing with this ball, he get heat. Like that he thought. Okay, yes, okay. Then next paragraph. Aao dekha na tav. Aao dekha na tav. It means the proverb like didn't think anything else. Okay, didn't think anything else. बालू जी ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को। बालू जी ने पैर से उछाल दिया शेर के बच्चे को। The bear kicked the lion cub with its feet. Okay, the bear kicked the lion cub with his feet. Uchal. Uchal means kicked. Okay, uchal means kicked. Then हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा तहाटा और फिर पेड़ की एक डाल पहट ली। हड़बड़ी में शेर का बच्चा तहाड़ा और फिर पेड़ की एक डाल पहट ली। It means what happened? The lion cub roared in shock and then caught a tree branch. Gatpadi means in a hurry or in a shock. Okay, Gatpadi means in a hurry or in a shock. Okay, Dahata means roar. The lion cub roared in shock and then caught a tree branch. Okay, Dahata means roar. Gatpadi means hurry or in a shock. Okay, पेड़ की एक डाल. It means branch of a tree. पेड़ की एक डाल means branch of a tree. Okay, next, see the next paragraph. मगर डाल टूट गई. मगर डाल टूट गई. मगर means मगर डाल टूट गई. टूट गई means broke. Okay, टूट गई means broke. But the branch broke. बालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गया. बालू साहब जल्दी ही मामला समझ गया. It means मामला means matter. Okay, मामला means matter. समझ गए means understand. Okay, समझ गए means understand. बालू sir very soon understand the matter. बचता ये. It means say बचता ये लेकिन अगले ही पल दौड़कर फुर्ती से दोनों हाथ बढ़ाए और शेर के बच्चे को लबक लिया. It means बचता ये means regretted. बचता ये means regretted. He regretted, but the next moment he ran very fast and stretched his hands and caught the lion cub. Okay, labak liya means he caught him. Labak liya means he caught him. Okay, then see the next paragraph. अरे यह क्या? शेर का बच्चा फिर से उछालने के लिए कह रहा था. अरे यह क्या? शेर का बच्चा फिर से उछालने के लिए कह रहा था. It means what is this? The lion's cub was asking the bear to throw him again. He thought that he was a play, so the cub requested the bear to throw him again. एक बार फिर बालू दादा ने उछाला. Once again the बालू threw him into the air. दो बार twice, तीन बार thrice, फिर बार बार यही होने लगा. It means उछालने means throwing. उछालने means throwing him again. Then Majja means fun. Okay. Yes, Uchalne means throwing. Uchala means throwing. Okay, then see the next paragraph. फिर बार बार यही होने लगा. Then they did the same many times. Okay. Then शेर के बच्चे को उछलने में मजा आ रहा था. It means उछलने means throwing him. Okay. Majja means fun. Then Majja means fun. The lions come enjoying it. When the bear throwing him in the air and catching him again. Then परंतु बालू दक्कर परेशान हो गया था. It means Dakkar means tired. She got tired. Paresan means upset. Okay. But the bear get tired and was getting upset now. Then Ahe किस आफत में आ फंसा. It means Afat means mess. Okay. Oh, I have got into such a mess. Then बारहवीं बार उछलते ही बालू ने घर की और दौड़ लगाई और गायब हो गया. It means बारहवीं means 12th time. Okay. He threw him the 12th time and then suddenly ran into his house and vanished from there. Vanish means disappear suddenly. Okay. Gayab means vanish. Okay. Gayab means vanish. Baragvi means 12th time. Baragvi means 12th time. Okay. Then see the next paragraph. अब की बार शेर का बच्चा दड़ाम से जमीन पर आ. It means this time the lion cub fell on the ground with the bang. Okay. Dadam means with the bang. Dal bhi dud gayi. The branch also broke. Dabi माली वहां आया और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा. It means Mali means gardener. Okay. Mali means gardener. Just then the gardener came there. और शेर के बच्चे पर बरस पड़ा. It means and scolded the lion cub. The gardener came there and scolded the lion cub. Dal means you broke the branch of a tree. Okay. See the next paragraph. डाल दौड़ती पेड़ की लाओ हरजाना. डाल दौड़ती पेड़ की लाओ हरजाना. It means you broke the branch of a tree. Lao means pay for the damages. Okay. Harjana means damages. Harjana means damages. Okay. Lao means pay for the damages. Okay. Then शेर के बच्चे ने कहा. The lion's cub said, first let me get up. I just fell down. Let's give me some time. माली ने कहा ठीक है. मैं अभी आता हूँ. Mali means the gardener. Okay. Mali means gardener. The gardener said, okay. मैं अभी आता हूँ. It means I will just come. As soon as the gardener left, the lion's cub also ran from there. Okay. Then see the next paragraph. माली के वहां से जाते ही शेर का बच्चा भी नाव दो क्या हो लिया. It means The gardener said, okay, I will just came. As soon as the gardener left, the lion cub also ran from there. Okay. Now the kya rahe, it means it's the proverb that ran from there. Okay, it's the proverb. This it means if life gets safe, it feels like getting a million. Okay. Say, उसने सोचा जान बची तो लागों पाए. लागों पाए, it means if life gets safe, it feels like getting a million. Okay, students, I hope you all understand this story. We meet in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.